So, I am showing you how to make a pot of coffee. I guess kind of in order here. Up here in the cupboard, grab a coffee, whatever you want. We've got everything from Folgers to flavored to not flavored. Use them all up. For today's purposes, I'm going to go ahead and just use I had flavored yesterday, so I'm going to go ahead and use just a plain Spring Day blend Starbucks. So it's really scientific here. The filters are right there, and they just put one of the filters in here. And then this doesn't take a lot of coffee to make good coffee. The coffee pot actually works pretty good in the grounds and stirs them up good and stuff so that they get good coffee flavor without a ton of. So I put about that's actually a lot, but probably about an inch, I guess. If I was to measure, I'm thinking it'd probably be an inch, 3/4 of an inch to an inch. And then put it in there. You don't want to get too many because the grounds will go over the filter and into your coffee. And then open the lid. Now the key to this process is that you don't close the lid before the pot is under the basket, because as soon as you close the lid, that little white deal there you see gets pushed down, and then coffee starts coming out. And you don't have a lot of time. It's like 2-3 seconds. So fill it up. There's the coffee pot. I just fill the coffee pot first, put it in there, stick it under here, and then as soon as you see that little white thing there, as soon as you shut it, it pushes that down, and there comes the coffee. That quick. And then there's a burner here, so if you turn that on, it'll get coffee, keep the coffee hot for you. That's all. Any questions, just holler.